Being accused of a sexual offence can be one of the most frightening experiences a person ever faces. You may feel shocked, anxious, confused, and unsure what to do next. You may be worried about your family, your work, your reputation, and what could happen if the police become involved. If that is where you are right now, the first thing to understand is this: being accused does not mean you are guilty. It also does not mean you will be charged. At this stage, the decisions you make can have a significant impact on how the situation develops. If the police have contacted you, asked you to attend an interview, or told you that you are under investigation, it is important to get legal advice immediately. This is not the time to guess. It is not the time to hope the matter will simply go away. And it is not the time to attend an interview without proper representation. Even a voluntary interview is still serious. What you say can be used as evidence, and early mistakes can be difficult to undo. That is why early specialist advice is so important. At Liberty Defence, we help people facing sexual offence allegations at the earliest stage of a case. We provide calm, confidential, non-judgmental advice. Explain your rights clearly and help you understand what to do next. In practical terms, that often means a few immediate steps. First, seek legal advice straight away. Second, do not attend any police interview without a solicitor. Third, do not discuss the allegation with anyone. Fourth, avoid contacting anyone involved. And fifth, preserve any relevant information rather than reacting in panic. These early stages can feel overwhelming because so much is uncertain. You may not know what the police are investigating, what evidence they may be looking at, or how long the process could take. That uncertainty often causes people to make rushed decisions or say things before they have had proper advice. But taking the right steps early can help you stay in control and avoid making your position more difficult. It is also important to remember that these cases are not decided by accusation alone. Evidence has to be assessed, the circumstances have to be examined, and the case has to be considered properly. In some cases, the police will continue their inquiries for a considerable period of time. In others, the matter may not proceed any further. That is one reason why getting the right advice early can make such a difference. Our role is to help you understand the process, prepare properly, and protect your interests from the outset. That may involve advising you before the interview, explaining your rights, helping you respond appropriately to police contact, and making sure that no unnecessary mistakes are made at a critical stage. For many people, what matters most in the beginning is having somebody clear-headed and experienced on their side. When everything feels uncertain, calm and specialist advice can make an immediate difference, both legally and personally. If you have been accused of a sexual offence or contacted by the police, Liberty Defence is here to help. We can guide you through the immediate next steps, protect your position, and give you clear advice at a time when clarity matters most.